You hear that? That's the sound of cicadas. They're really everywhere out here. All we have to do is find them. Let's go find them. Right there. Maybe I can get them by. Yeah. I got one. There's one. I missed it. There's one we'll get. Got that one. And there's one we'll get. How about this guy? You hear that? That's the sound of a snack. Live on the wing. We got a few in there. Let's go home and cook them and see what they taste like. Well, they say you're supposed to put them in the freezer to kill them humanely. So here they go, in the freezer. Then we'll take them out and see what they taste like. So I think the cicadas are frozen now, so they have to be dead. I'm gonna pull them out. I don't hear them. And they look like they're dead. So there's our snack, our colorful little snack. And they say you're supposed to boil them for 2 minutes. So I already have water heated up and boiling, and I will boil them for 2 minutes. And then after that, they're supposed to be, I guess you saute them, so I have the oil heating, really hot. And then we'll try them. I'm looking forward to it. Okay. Now take them out of the boiling water. They look like, I don't know what they look like, but they look like little somethings. They look delicious. Get some of that water off of there. And now put them in the olive oil to begin the saute. Get that oil heated up a little bit more. I wonder if they come to a nice crunch. Looks appetizing, doesn't it? So early in the season, we kept seeing all these little holes in the ground, about a quarter inch, maybe a little bit bigger. And I thought, what are those? And come to find out, it was the cicadas coming up out of the ground. They stay dormant. They stay in the ground for 17 years. You may already know that. But after 17 years, every 17 years, they cycle and they come up out of the ground and do their thing, and then 17 years later they do it again. So there really is a plentiful abundance of them in the Northeast. I don't know about anywhere else, but it's hard to move around outside in the woods without getting cicadas flying around you or flying on you. My daughter really freaks out with that sort of thing. But I think they're probably good at this point. And let's go ahead and put them on the plate. And try them. Now over here, I have some barbecue sauce. That's right here. Old Bay seasoning and Hershey's chocolate syrup. Everybody keeps saying you're going to dip them in chocolate. So I like Hershey's syrup, so that's what I thought I would use. Okay, here we go. I've never tried one before. I think they're hot, but I think I might try Old Bay first. They say they're a lot like shrimp, and some say they're like peanuts. Well, Old Bay goes with shrimp and goes with peanuts just fine. So I'm going to try some Old Bay on it and give it a go. That's actually not bad. Not bad at all. That's a lot of Old Bay though. I'm going to try a little less Old Bay. Just a little bit. That's pretty good. Now I wonder what the barbecue sauce. That's good. That's better than Old Bay. Now, I've got a big one here for the chocolate. Nice drippy chocolate. That's good too. I like the barbecue sauce. This happens to be Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Lots of protein, no added sugars, no added ingredients, no gluten, just good snack food. Sauteed in a little olive oil, good stuff. Really like the barbecue sauce. You want one?
No. Should call Hannah.
I'll eat it. I think I have a wing caught in my tooth. Nope, it's a leg. So, 2021 cicada harvest. I wonder if you're supposed to take the wings off.